Checking in. This is That Trending, another episode on Currently Trending live, and this is 2023 recap and recommendation and acknowledgement. So we're gonna recommend some things and we're gonna acknowledge some people and some song and the entertainment industry itself. And it's not a surprise that number one trending girl in the building, Brooke Valentine herself.
Hi, people. I know you guys missed me.
You know it go already. So right now, thanks to all of the subscribers, people them where watch the video them and I like the video them and thing like that. We are 20k now.
Rotted.
You know that
We
go.
did it.
20k.
20k. You can't talk to me,
You know that go. And it's all because of teamwork. Make the dream work. You know it go. Alright, first thing we're gonna start off with is our recommendation and acknowledgement. Let's start off with artist of the year. Female.
Shensia. Y'all know I'm gonna say Shensia.
I think Shensia doesn't necessarily have the best year when it comes to crowd
Mhm.
and what the people them feel like them get from her. I feel like music should be something where not just the artists give, but the crowd receive and love.
And love. At least
So
give one
she
little-
not really there at the top of my list in terms of after artist of the year. Me da more give that to somebody like, this is kind of random for me, but me really rate. Damn, which female me think put in a good work this year? Me da give it to Stark Ashley
Yes.
because of
She did good.
consistency
Yep.
and she touring and she doing shows and she performing and you see clips of her here and there. Even though you see Sensia clips, it's like the fans and her have a disconnect.
Yes.
So it's not like it connect. Stark Ashley actually a connect.
Iconic.
You see me? So in my opinion, Stark Ashley get Artist of the Year on our platform.
Mhm.
Next on the list, we have Male Artist of the Year. So we have the Massacre, we have the Valiant, we have Chronicler, we have Skillibeng, we have Popcorn, we have Skeng, we have Alkaline, we have 450, we have Intense, we have Tamale, we have Jashi, we have Iwat, and we have the one and only Vibes Cartel himself. No, I am going to say Vibes Cartel is not going to be an Artist of the Year because we are focused on the younger generation. Vibes Cartel is just world boss.
Yes.
We just give him the acknowledgement. Again, we say acknowledgement and recommendations. We're going to give Vibes Cartel the acknowledgement as the world boss. A person who I feel like does the music well and make him name.
And him not gonna away.
So 2023 is more of a salute in the world boss.
Yes.
For us. But Artist of the Year would have go to who? We have again Mali. We forgot to mention Mali.
Malidan.
Malidan, Massacre, Valiant, Chronicler, Skillibeng, Popcorn, Skeng, Alkaline, 450, Intense, Tamale, Jashi, Iwat, and these are some of the main acts in the space right now.
Mm-hmm.
I am going to say I have to choose between Massacre and Valiant.
Yes.
Because Valiant dropped some hits this year.
Hits consistently. You hear that, artist? Consistently.
But
Okay.
from a crowd pleasing perspective, Valiant have a crowd. From a marketing perspective, I think Massacre have a presentation where people have to say, yo, not that Valiant don't have presentation, but me just say, me feel like Massacre have an edge in terms of presentation.
Yes.
In presenting thing in a way where the music, for me, come off more global.
Mm-hmm.
Not that Valiant no global, but that's just my opinion. Who you would have voted for?
Massacre.
Massacre. So that are two
And then
vote.
Valiant.
And then Valiant.
Yeah.
Valiant has done a great job. Very great job.
Very great.
Best new artist of the year.
Who?
We have Nejiri,
All right.
Raja Wild,
Uh-huh.
450, Craft, Pablo YLG, Richard. Alright, Malidan, Schemas. Just put Schemas because him a do him thing.
Him there at the bottom for me.
Yeah, him a do him thing. Who you da put at best new artist? Me I go vote for 450 and Craft.
I'd say Craft.
Craft.
450
Craft
is
but
new?
still, you know.
450 is new?
Well, him not new, but to me, him in the generation of new artist.
Mm.
So from that perspective,
Mm.
you see me, him not bust too far from when the craft and the Malidan them come out.
Yeah,
You see me? So yes, you go craft.
make a craft.
Craft bud.
But
Um craft or 450. I'm really I go stick with 450 because I feel like the youth there generally him not see my power with a unit, him just a do him thing and him a drop some hits and the girl them love it.
oh, definitely love it.
You see me? So big up 450 artists of the year for us on our platform. Respect the work we might do and you don't know it go. Album of the year. No.
Massic-
No.
Yeah,
Album
no,
of the
okay.
year, we have to big up Buju Banton album.
Okay.
Born for Greatness.
All right.
Beanie Man drop an album this year, Zima.
Mm.
Big up Beanie Man, same way.
Big up yourself, Beanie Man.
Popcorn also drop an album,
He did?
Greatest E.
Oh, okay.
Big up Popcorn, same way.
Big up yourself, Popcorn.
Idonia, Occupied Minds, and Massacre, which Massacre actually recently signed to Def Jam.
Oh.
And he recently signed to Def Jam and him dropping GOK album. No. Massacre album is gonna be my favorite.
It's definitely my favorite.
Yeah, so
Nobody-
we have to give Massacre him props.
I feel.
When
we
you
have
listen to
to.
the album there, what the feedback?
I felt there was a lot of pain. I feel like him realized something. That's why I make that album. Like somebody run him, hurt him, and him realize it. That's what I got from it.
And I'm sure there's a lot more features she had talk about the pain, but Popcorn and him do a bad feature.
Mm.
You see me, him and Spice do a bad feature.
I'm surprised. I'm surprised.
You see me? So, I mean, him have a lot of good features on the album.
Mm-hmm.
But it come across as a very well-prepared album.
Well prepared.
And I'm not going to say it outdo 438, which is his previous album, but I'm going to say that he's putting out quality work.
Quality. Did you hear that? And I feel like the other artist needs to take notes of this because we're tired of the one bag of trap music.
That is it.
We're tired of it. We like it, but
Change up a thing.
me like trap music, you know. But so me hear Massacre, me say, yo, me really tired of this trap thing because like it's just calming. It's a mixture of a lot of things, a little bit of chop, a little bit of love, like take notice. Massacre, big up yourself. Me like it.
That is it. Big up Massacre again. Album of the year for us and
Mhm.
currently trending.
You saved Christmas, Massacre.
Yes, I'm saved Christmas.
You definitely saved Christmas.
That is
Definitely
it.
did.
Take over.
Song of the year.
Yeah.
We have TJ Drift, Taliban with his collab with Chris Brown and Burner Boy, I Water and Massacre, and Idonia Fresh Drop. Song of the year for me, you know.
Song of the year definitely gonna be TJ song, Drift, and then Taliban. So it depends on the mood, but definitely Drift.
Mhm.
Number one song for the year
For the year.
in terms of vibe. And don't get it twisted. Fresh Drop and Drift probably would have gone neck to neck. Depends on the type of mood again.
Yes.
You see me? Turn the other way, just forward out.
Turn the other way.
So let's really put it in concept. Drift, Fresh Drop, Taliban.
I agree with it. Taliban definitely at bottom for you. Yeah.
But would us say our favorite, our pick on currently trending
Yes.
live? What the next
And
topic?
you don't have to agree with our opinions, just saying, you know.
That is it. What's next?
Top consistent artists.
What we have in our list?
Valiant, 450, Massacre, and Popcorn. Consistent. Valiant.
The list the Miss Massacre. Or Massacre in our list.
Massacre and Ellis.
Top consistent. Me have a give it to
Valiant
Valiant.
and 450. I'd give it to Valiant, and then I think 450 is right after.
Yeah. So Massacre not necessarily consistent in just a drop. It's. Say,
Yes.
so you think you get more Valiant than a
I
Massacre?
got more Valiant than a Massacre. this year.
And they're good.
And they're good.
Okay.
They're good.
So Valiant received the recognition of most consistent artist of the year.
Mm-hmm.
I think he deserves it.
He definitely deserves it.
That is it.
As
What's
a
next?
humble youth like that, he deserves it.
That is it. What the next one?
We got producer of the year.
What we have in our lineup?
Russian.
The Go Go Club Rhythm when him
Mhm.
just released with all our artists them on it, obviously.
I don't care use if you not even don't authorize it.
If you not authorize
If
it,
it's not authorized by Russian, you cannot use it.
you see
Okay.
me? So Russian night lineup. Who else?
Ireland Records.
Island Records, I produced the V6 by Malidan.
Mm-hmm.
So you know that.
That
But
was good.
V6,
Oh,
funny too, and you can't stop.
That song the body no.
Who else you have in our lineup?
We have Frank White,
And I him do song.
Mad Out and Wild Out.
Good song them there, no?
Oh, yeah, hell yes.
So, competition I get more.
It's stiff. It's
Russian,
stiff.
Russian look like the
Me not
person
go choose Russian, but me don't know yet. Me don't know
because
yet.
them produce some good songs.
Yes.
You see me? We have no more on the list.
Sponge Music that do 450 live and learn.
Ah.
This one is that one hard.
All right, I'm going to work with Frank White as a new producer. Frank White, Mad Out, Valiant Song, Roger Wild Out. Who you choose?
I agree. Me like the list.
So
Me
that
like.
is it.
Mhm.
Obviously, Russian a big producer. All the other producer, them a big producer same way. But Frank White take it for we.
Mhm.
Them produce some very effective, substantial songs in terms of how the crowd love it. And the crowd pleaser them, you have to give them the props.
Yes.
That is it. Next.
Collabs of the year.
All right. We have
Valiant and Stock Ashley.
Narcissistic.
Yes. And then we have 450 and Chanel Muir. Crosses.
All right, we just pick them two songs there because them two songs stand out. We know they have many more, and we're not going to say we don't want to acknowledge them, but we're just talking about Dancehall and these two top favorite that we pick. I'm going to go with Stark Ashley and Valiant. Narcissistic. I think it stand out a little bit more.
Mhm.
Shannon Moore definitely with 450 is a great song and it play a lot in other clubs. Don't get it twisted. But me just like, this is just my personal favorite. Stark Ashley, Narcissistic with Valiant, tough.
I agree.
Ooh, such a good woman for your
Mhm.
one night stand. So big up Valiant and Stark Ashley for that. And that's why I put Stark Ashley, earlier when we were talking, I say, yo, should have be the female of the year because she put in work, not
Sure.
just by
Hell
dropping
yes.
singles, but she do collabs, but actually make sense
Mhm.
and have an impact. You see, big up Stark Ashley anyway there. That is it.
Best performance of the year. We have Dexter Daps, Skeng, and TJ. I don't even know what TJ responds to saying, but
All right, let me tell you why I feel like TJ can be in a performance. Remember, I'm a dance with a drift song on stage in most cases.
Mhm.
So it's not about performance. Is not about just singing a song. In a position now where I sing and I dance. So do you like when TJ is performing and doing the drift from that perspective? Dexter Daps is a known performer, so we're gonna give him props. Definitely Dexter Daps, Skeng and then TJ.
Mhm.
Dexter Daps, Skeng and then TJ. No matter how, if Skeng, no matter if Skeng I take the jugs in perform.
True.
That is it. Next on the list.
Best dance song of the year.
All right. Best dance song we have for the year. What is
Craft, Rum Behavior.
Craft Rum Beaver. Catch a piece of this, da da
can't do-
That song the body, no?
Me can't do dance, but
That
me
body,
like
no?
it. Me like
What's
it.
next?
TJ Drift.
TJ Drift come back again. Best
Mhm.
dance. What else?
Skeng, Smooth With It.
Smooth with it. What else?
Yeah,
That's
nobody.
it?
Skilly Bang 16 Chopper.
Whoa.
Skilly, you find it with the one there.
All right. All right. Make we rank it though.
And I water turn the other way. We can't leave out I water.
All right.
All right.
Make we rank it.
Make we rank it. We have to rank this one.
So we have Skilly Bang,
We have Skilly Bang.
16 Chopper.
Yeah.
We have TJ Drift.
Mm-hmm.
We have Craft Rum Behavior. And we have Iwater Tony other way. So we're gonna put Iwater at the end of the year. So even the dead yet.
Yeah.
For me. 16 Chopper and Drift there neck to
16
neck.
Chopper. It's gonna make a move. You have to move. You can't stand up.
Mm.
Drift, you can't stand up either. That
Rum
this-
Behavior, but the whole of them body no?
Oh my god. This is
Alright, so
hard.
here we go. I'm gonna just vote for Drift because everybody can do it.
Everybody, yes. But everybody can do 16 Chopper too.
Yeah, me know, but and everybody want to jump. People can just stand up and drift.
You're not boring.
So me gonna go Drift and me gonna go 16 Chopper and then Rum Behavior.
Okay.
Which list you like, where I rank it?
16 Chopper.
Number one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Drift,
Mm-hmm.
wrong behavior.
And then we have Eye Water
Turn the
as
other way.
yeah, that a shot right now.
Yeah.
A lot of people love the song there. So big up Eye Water said speed. What's next on the list?
People we would like to see collab.
Alright, so I would love to see a Vibes Carton and Alkaline collab, which will never almost happen.
Nah, go happen, but never say never.
That is it. Who else would you like to see collab with?
I would like to see a Shensia and a Spice or a Shensia and a Jada. But we know that's not gonna happen either.
Yeah, they would
But never
they
say
would they
never.
would do a good collab in your
Of course.
opinion.
Yeah.
Who else we have panelists in
We have Massacre and Idonia.
I think that would be a personal favorite of mine because it's true them a beef at one point and then them break the peace and then start link now. I think the collab would a shake up the answer.
Yeah, man.
So it's almost like if you not get the Cartel and Alkaline, you get a Idonia and a Massacre, which would make a difference.
Yes.
That is it. That's our recommendation for collabs we would like to see in the future and currently trending live. I hope you like our recommendation. Leave your comment in the comment section and let us know who you would like to see collab. That is it. What's next?
From the fans' perspective,
Pickling.
Massacre will never be bigger than Alkaline.
No.
From a fan's perspective.
From a fan's perspective, this is the section where we reach now. And the number one question on this. Massacre will never be big as
Alkaline.
What's your feedback?
Never say never. But if Massacre keep up with this album and keep your album like how you just have this album, yeah, then Alkaline, it's gonna be a run for his money.
First of all, I believe say Alkaline has been in the game for a while. I make him name, I make him mark. But Massacre is bigger than Alkaline in terms of market wise. The reason why I say that is because Alkaline is a loner. Him not really try for him stay to himself, and that's just his personality. I can't judge a man for his personality.
Love it.
But Massacre have the same type of personality, but him a market himself. I don't see Alkaline market himself as much as a Massacre. So the person who market themselves more, I gotta have more. In my opinion, I gotta have more to work with, have more fans, have more music. I get listened and I put out work and I drop album and I drop songs and I drop hits and I make good music video and I put out full and it's Alkaline just when him ready, him drop a thing and him go relax. So the man we're more consistent at dropping more quality work to me is the bigger artist because him is more recognized as an artist putting out quality work consistently.
Yep.
So I don't agree with that. What's the next one?
Popcorn is highly overrated.
What's your feedback on that?
Yeah.
You think so?
A little bit.
I believe.
Not that. I mean, the way people describing how great he is, I don't feel like he's that. He's good. Don't get me wrong. I just don't feel like he's that great.
All right. From my perspective, knowing Popcorn's story, as a matter of fucking name, yo, let me tell you something. If you know Popcorn from the stage where Popcorn was building his career to where he is now, great is he. You see me? And big up Popcorn. I feel like I don't feel like him overrated because if him the overrated, that might be a personal opinion, but he might get the shows. He might get the bookings, and most artists, as much as they might think say XYZ, Popcorn is literally bigger than them globally. So overrated is not the word to me, even though this is from the fan perspective. I would say Popcorn is getting his fair share of the game. And just like any other artist, at one point Popcorn will then have to take his seat and somebody else
have to take
going at the seat, isn't it? So him a fame time now. So give on the ruly boss him fair share. That is it. What's next?
Now Jerry are the baddest artists right now.
If I have a bob, all right, not to me because him say things when we can't understand. But we can say him have a bad flow.
Yes.
So me go give him flow, but me now go give him the baddest artist of the year. Me go say him a more of the more unique, the more of the out of the box type of artist for the year, but not the baddest artist.
Not the baddest artist.
If you were supposed to give somebody the baddest artist of the year right now, you know who me that give baddest artist of the year for? And not because me rate him song them, but Give Malidan some credit. Malidan have some bad song.
Okay. You know he was here, right?
Yeah, give Malidan some credit.
Mm-hmm.
One of the baddest artists of the year. I'm not gonna say him addy,
Yeah.
but one of the
Yeah.
baddest artists of the year because Malidan him pull a crowd.
He definitely does.
And the girl them love him. You see me? And from that perspective, you have to give him
Mm-hmm.
the artist, one of the baddest artists of the year. And Brooke got finished it off by giving us the numbers and the breakdown of the most streamed artists. Right now, we have on the Spotify breakdown.
Okay, so let me read this carefully for y'all. All right, this is the top 10 most streamed, top 10 most streamed dancehall artists globally on Spotify. Keyword globally. At number 1, we have Sean Paul. Just give me the light. Sean Paul can't go nowhere. Him not go nowhere.
That is
Him not go nowhere. Him not go nowhere. Number 2, Popcorn. I was shocked at that. Not surprised. A little bit shocked, but not surprised. 3, Vibes Cartel. Of course. Of course.
Adija Palmer.
Number 4, Shensia. For those who feel like she not put in her work, or she reach a person. Okay. Number 4. All right. They're streaming her. Number 5, Steph London. Were you shocked of Steph London?
No, it's all about perspective. You know what I mean? From she coming from the England based, you know what I mean? That's she already have an international audience.
I like her.
So she don't have to build an international audience.
That's true.
So even though we in Jamaica might not see Steph London the way that she have an international audience, and you cannot kill what she already has.
That's true. I like her.
So you see me from full perspective, I heard, you know, them I say, no, but from an international perspective, you're wrong. So yeah, man, she deserve it.
Number 6, we have Charlie Black.
Charlie Black's one of them artists that we you not hear about every day in the media, but him have some songs we are streaming in some countries you would never believe. And especially with Party Element breaking in at the Spanish market. One upon your body, yeah. Everybody love that song there. So I'm not surprised. Do you think Charlie Black's big up yourself?
Number 7, we have Coffee.
Coffee definitely makes sense because, you know, she is more of an artist where promote and market herself on an international level. So I'm not surprised.
At 8, we have Spice.
Spice has been in the game again for
a
a while. So again, for she make the list is not expected but not surprising. You see, pray.
Number 9, we have Beanie Man.
Zima, who got the keys to my bima? Who can't finish the line there? Never born yet.
Never born.
So Beanie Man deserve it again.
And at number 10, we have Skilly Bang.
16. Chopper. All right. You agree with the list?
I agree with the list. Definitely,
it's
especially
not-
number 4.
Well, it's not even agree with the list. The list makes sense.
The list makes sense.
You see, pre.
The same
All right.
list.
Hold on. This is random. This is out of the box. But we'll talk about some events now.
Oh, yes.
Some events will do good in 2023.
Yes.
You see, pre. Let's talk about some events internationally and events maybe you may not know about that's doing well, but we're going to talk about them. Milk and Honey doing well.
And not the rain, the people them now leave.
That is it. You see me? And then we also have what? What's next, Brooke?
We have I Love Soca Jamaica.
And Cynthia was just performing at
Of course she was. Why
see
wouldn't
me?
she?
You see me? So I Love Soca Jamaica. Big up the party. They said speed. Them a do them thing. What's next on the list?
Let's see. We have Blush Miami.
Blush Miami. Big up Blush
Le
Miami. You know that. Go.
I love that name though.
Yeah, man. Fair party always shop. She do it Blush Miami and she do Blush Atlanta. People who don't know about the event, they get to know it. It's an event if you're in Atlanta, in Miami, and don't be surprised if you hear say they are Jamaica. Just watch out for Blush Miami, another big event.
That's true.
What we have next?
We have Legal to Floss.
Well,
And
Legal
this-
to Floss is probably in no, Legal
This
to
is
Floss is in Connecticut.
It's in a Bridgeport, Connecticut event.
But doing well.
Doing very well.
Okay, so people, if
Very
you're
well.
visiting this area and you're in the Bridgeport area, here's the event that you need to know
The
about.
next one is April 12, 2024.
That is
Big
it.
up yourself, 100 hours.
See it there. What else we have?
We have Antics, Modest Life.
Good party again.
I went this year.
Oh, so this is another Connecticut.
This is another Connecticut event.
So may I make sure ask I'm one of the
Yes.
people them know, you know.
Me did there this year, and yeah, man.
It a do it thing.
Me sleep on the bathroom floor, so you
That
can
is it.
imagine how. You can imagine how
Alright.
that party was good.
Let me tell you something. You see them event here are for people who travel.
Yes.
So you're gonna know some of them, you're not gonna know some. But me big up another event, Bose.
Oh,
Bose this year was very good.
very good.
JR Chromatic them, you know, them a do them thing.
Bring
Bose is
your own buckle, as always.
that was a great event.
Great. It's always a great event when you bring your own bottle. Always. All me have to buy a chaser,
That is it.
and the price to get in is always wonderful. It's like what, $40, $50?
That
You
is
can't
it.
beat that. You spend more when you're going to one party. Go buy a buckle.
See it there? Big up Mayhem. You don't know them do them beach thing every year, same way.
We have, so I just use Supercharge.
Supercharge. Another Connecticut.
Yes, Jobs, big up yourself. That was a great event. Pack.
And I think New Rules was great this year too. Alkaline show.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? That had a great turnout. Yeah. I mean, this is just some events so we are big up still.
Yes.
So anything we miss, leave in the comment section so people can know
Please. And it's not that your event wasn't big. We just a skim through it.
about it. We just a skim
Just
through
a
some
skim
events.
through some events.
So you know it go. What else we miss, fam?
We cannot miss links.
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 That is
summer
it.
and the winter.
That is it.
That was a great event.
That
was a great event.
That is it.
Mhm.
You know it go already. This is currently trending. We just give some feedback so people can get some recommendation. Remember, initially when we start this podcast, we said we're giving some recommendation and some acknowledgement. And we start
Yes.
from the entertainment business when it comes to artists, and then we go straight back to the party world. I think it was a great set. Big up that trending entertainment.
There you go.
You know it go. That trending entertainment. You don't know how we do currently trending. And check us out on all social media platforms, from the TikTok to the Facebook to the IG to the Snapchat. Google we did it.
We did it.
You see me? And you know what thing go already. We're based in Hartford, Connecticut. That's why we can tell us about some of the Connecticut events them where rise. And we still talk about events outside of Connecticut where we have to acknowledge them big and them do them thing.
That's true.
You see, Pre? So check in with us another time for another episode on Currently Trending live. Because you don't know it go. Brooke Valentine is in the building and it's always gonna be a vibes.
Yes.
That is it. Out.